Which is better, Guy's fries or Shaq's fries? Guy's fries or Shaq's fries? Trying Big Chicken, which is Shaq's restaurant on Mardi Gras. This is the MDE, most dominant ever, and it is chicken, Shaq's special sauce, and pickles, and fries. Then we're gonna try this from their sides. They have potato salad, spicy pickles, and jalapeno coleslaw. And you can order breakfast at any time. So I'm gonna try the chicken biscuit, which is this biscuit with the sweet honey glaze. The sauce, hot buffalo sauce, ketchup obviously, and then this was Tennessee barbecue. And then Shaq's special sauce is on the sandwich. I don't know what's in this, oh yeah, special sauce, maybe like a Thousand Island kind of dressing. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna try the chicken biscuit. The biscuit is kind of sweet, and then you got the honey glaze, and then the chicken is good. 2 thumbs up. All right, now everyone raves about the fries. Which is better, Guy's fries or Shaq's fries? Guy's fries or Shaq's fries? I'm sorry, Guy, I think I'm gonna have to go with Shaq's fries. So now I'm gonna try the sides. Jalapeno coleslaw. If I can get it. It's good. It's slaw. That is hot. Jalapeno. Here's why. All right, but it's good. It could be a little colder, but it tastes good. Potato salad. Good potato salad. Yeah, good. And then it tastes very mayonnaise-y, and it needs a little salt, but it's still good. And then everyone raves about the spicy pickles. I love pickles. Oh, good. Spicy pickles for the win. It's a sweet pickle with chili flakes. So if you like sweet pickles, they put it in chili flakes.
So I'm going to be eating the Big Shaq's Chicken MDE, and it stands for Most Dominant Ever. So it's got Shaq's special sauce on it. So let's take a bite out of it because everybody's raving about this sandwich. Oh, and it's got a little bit of pickles and more special sauce. So here we go. So I tried the pickle relish, and I'm a big fan of it. It's got a good bite to it. Whatever the right, I'm sorry, jalapeno coleslaw. I tried it, very good. I also am a big fan of the potato salad because I like mayonnaise-y potato salad, and it does have a little bit of kick. And the pickles, what would you say the pickles have in it? They're very good. also a big fan of the chicken biscuits breakfast sandwich. It's got a sweetness, almost like a sweet cornbread to it, and the chicken is very, very tender. So, Shaq, good job. Believe it or not, guys, Shaq lives near us, and I've seen him out, riding his bike, and I've got video of him, and he's a really, really super nice guy. Big, giant man, 7'2", and he's gotten himself back in shape. Here's an imprint of his hand. Let's compare. I think I got pretty big hands. His hands are enormous.